right, so here we have our 50100 scoop cooler kit. This is ideal for anything where you're limited on direct airflow, but you have a lot of frame rail space. Leading off, we have our hardware kit that comes with the cooler, our instructions, and then a few brackets, as well as the scoop itself. So the way that this works is you take the 10-row stack plate cooler and you take the scoop. The scoop is going to mount together, and then our brackets slide right in like so. So it mounts just as such. And then with the other bracket that we have, has these notches on it. So if you have to invert the mounting, that pops on like that. And then you get the same setup with the cooler. As you're driving down the highway, the airflow is going to come through, push air through the cooler, so you still get the maximum cooling benefit without taking up a much larger section of real estate. Looking at these brackets, they do have channels cut into them where you can slide, adjust, change it however you need to make it fit the best, get a nice tight secure connection to the frame or wherever you're mounting, and make sure that it's going to be fully secure.